Be sure to read and follow the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the owner's manual at dell.com/support. Before you begin, turn off the computer and disconnect all the attached peripherals. To remove the I/O cover, unlatch the stand and lift it off the system. Unlatch and remove the back cover. Identify the system board shield and remove the 6 screws. Lift the shield out of the system. Identify the I/O cover and remove the 2 screws. Lift the cover off of the system. To reinstall the I/O cover, place it back on the system and tighten the 2 screws. Place the system board shield back in the system and secure it with the 6 screws. Relatch the back cover to the system and then relatch the stand. For more information about your Dell system, visit dell.com/support.